Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blower motor resistor for a Toyota Tacoma. First, let's identify the common symptoms of a failing resistor. You might notice your fan only works on certain speeds, or perhaps not at all. This usually indicates the resistor needs attention, as it controls the fan's speed settings. Addressing this promptly ensures your climate control functions correctly. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a basic screwdriver set and, of course, your new blower motor resistor. The resistor is usually found on the passenger side, underneath the dashboard, close to the blower motor itself. Gaining access is straightforward, often requiring the removal of just a few screws to expose the component. Safety first. Always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Once the battery is disconnected, locate the resistor and carefully unclip its electrical connector. These connectors can sometimes be a bit stiff, so take your time. Next, remove the 1 or 2 mounting screws that secure the old resistor in place, then gently pull it out. Now take your new blower motor resistor and slide it into position, ensuring it seats correctly. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, secure the resistor with its mounting screws. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Start your engine and test all the fan speeds to confirm your new resistor is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.